This screen capture is to make a series of photos uniform size for printing in Photoshop ready for distribution. So we need to have Photoshop open, and we go open, find the files that we want, folder. So they're these three. So click on the first one, hold down the Shift key, click on the last one, they're all highlighted, and hit open. That will open all three and they'll appear across the top here, all three of them. Now today's not about improving the photos, it's just about saving them so they're all the same size. We're going to make them A3. So we'll go to the first one and we'll go image, image size, and the main thing is change the resolution to at least 144 so it prints at that size. If you've used a phone to take your photos, they'll come in at 72 resolution. Minimum print size is double that, 144. So we want to change in Australia to centimetres, and we're making them as big as a A3 sheet, or to fit on an A3 sheet. So stop, we'll change the width to 40 by 30, 144. Okay, so that takes it down to 11 megabyte. Okay, and that's big enough to attach to an email. Go to our next one, image, image size. Once again, we're in centimeters now, so 144. Change the width to, change the height this time to 40. 40 by 30. Hit OK. And the final one, image, image size, resolution 144, and width or height to 40. Because we have constrained proportions on, it means that when we change one, the other one changes, so the photo stays exactly the same. You can change the other one to 30, hit OK. And then we just need to go back through and file, save as, series print 1, saving it back into the same folder at this stage, as a copy, save, make sure we're on 12 maximum, OK, then do the next one, file, save as, 2, as a copy, save, OK, and then the final first one, file, save as, series print 3, as a copy, save, make sure you're on 12 maximum, OK, and then we can close these. Remember, we close without saving, no. Close, save, no. Close, no. That we've saved them in, and here we have two versions, the print version and the original version. And sometimes be actually slightly smaller, but they're all uniform in size. So now we can go to our emailing system. Click on the first one, Shift key, click on last one, and they're all highlighted, the ones you want to